Hey, YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Muffet. I was getting ready to go for the road this morning. I thought I'd do a quick video on the reasons the Intex 200 is kind of cool. I've had this little raft, this little inflatable boat for about 5 years, and I've used it about five or six little adventures. I'm getting ready to go rowing on it this morning, and I thought I'd tell you about the cool things about this boat. One of the coolest features about it is when you deflate it, it's small. It'll fit into the box this size. This will fit under the front seat of your car. I mean, there's not too many. There are no boats that'll fit under the front seat of your car. I mean, it's amazing. Also, it's so tiny and light. It weighs about 3 pounds. Now, it is made out of material that's about as thin as your shower curtain, but still, I've used it about five or six times and still, and it's working great. I did get a couple of small puncture holes in the bottom. However, I was able to seal it up temporarily with the Gorilla Tape, the clear Gorilla Tape, but then I got the vinyl patches and it works fine. This has been inflated for several days, no leaks at all. And another cool thing about it is you can get these little D rings and then you can attach them easily with this poisonous uh, H66 cement. I don't know. The light is kind of bright. Yeah, okay. Um, it's it's pretty easy. You just make a circle to where you want to attach the patch. Then you take some sandpaper and you just sand down, make a little rough area to where you're going to put the D-ring, and then you put the H66 cement on both the D-ring and on the boat, and then after about between 3 and 5 minutes, you place this on. You want to make sure your D-ring is attached to where it's at the optimum angle. You don't want it this way if you're going to have it load this way. So I made a mistake on one of my D rings, but it's very easy. You only need one layer. Some of the people on YouTube, when they add the D rings, they add several layers of cement. The instructions say to add one layer. I've been doing one layer and it works fine. Just make sure you use the H66. Make sure you use this stuff outside in completely ventilated. This is really toxic, nasty stuff. So it's so easy to add O-rings or D-rings to your little Intex 200 to make little sailing rigs or rowing rigs. I had a rowing frame on this and it works beautifully, but it's heavy and big and it's bulky and you got to take it apart as one. So I've just been experimenting without the rowing rig and just sitting at the bottom. It's a lot more stable. You get wet more though, and it's hard. The hardest part about the boat is getting out of it. It's not that hard to get in, but it's kind of tricky to get out. But also, it comes with a pump. Well, actually, I take that back. Intex sells a pump with a larger raft. This one doesn't come with the Intex 200, but I've heard, I read people dislike this pump, but it's great because when you pump both up and down, it works. It pumps air on both pumping up and pumping down, so it's very quick. I get about 200 pumps, and I pump this up. So about 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm done. And like I said, it's light, easy. It weighs about 3 pounds with this stuff on it. It's like 11 pounds. So even for an old geezer like me, this is it's a dream. So you can't use it a lot of places because it's still just a pool toy. You wouldn't want to use it, uh, going over Niagara Falls or anything. I have seen people use these little Intex in white water, and so um, they are interesting little almost like a pack raft, except instead of costing $300, they cost, well, now they're up to $30, but they were 12 when I bought them. And I have a video showing how you can make your own foam floats because when you buy these things, it costs like 70, $80 a pair. So I made mine for like about 7 or 8 bucks. So that's why I think the Intex 200 is kind of cool. By the way, they don't come with oars, but you can buy these oars for about 20 bucks, which is about what it costs for the boat. They come apart in two pieces, and they're pretty well made, except this part is plastic, and eventually that's going to bust on you. So I know the lighting's crappy in here, and I've got the house messed up this morning, but I thought I'd just make a quick video on showing you what the little Intex 200's got going for it. It's kind of cool, I think. It's got a really fun platform for making little adventures and adding stuff to it and experimenting. And like I said, when you're done, it fits. It fits under the seat of your front seat of your car. Man, you can't get much better than that, guys. Got a bunch of videos and playlists on my channel, about over 1,000 videos. I know they're for 15 years almost. So I hope you come back, watch more, and check out my other videos because YouTube kind of likes that. And it helps my channel because I've got a variety channel and they don't know what to do with my channel, so it never gets sent to too many people. So because they don't know what the hell my channel is about. And I don't either. I'm just having fun for the last 14, 15 years and trying to share it with you guys, and hope you're having fun too. All right, guys, take care. See you out there. I forgot to mention, I ordered a little sail that folds up and it's like a circle. It's like a little sunshade. And that folds right up and into a little circle. But you can attach it to like a raft or a kayak. It costs about $11. So I just went upwind, and now with the wind, I should be able to just go back with the breeze. Be interesting. Have a little sail for the inflatable.